Hi guys, and welcome to your channel Management with Merits, Manage to Prosper. Well, our channel targets our people in order to equip them with the managerial competencies and skills so that they can achieve their goals and fulfill their dreams and that they can prosper. We rely on English references in management and leadership, and it transfers content to Arabic in a focused and attractive manner. In the last book, we decided the organizational theory, design, and change, and its effect on how organizations function and how they can gain competitive advantage. Well, for today, guys, we're going to discuss a great American book published in 2012, the 14th edition of the book, which is, as you can see here, Organizations, Behavior, Structure, and Processes. So it's so clear that the book focuses on these three areas, which are behavior, structure, and processes. But the primary area is the behavior, because the behavior of individuals, groups, and the organizations in general are the things that shape the organizational effectiveness. And when I talk about organizational effectiveness, there are three types of effectiveness, which are the individual and the group and the organization in general. So actually the book makes a link between these three elements, as well as the managerial functions that we took in the management book, the first book that we took in this channel, and also the book that we took last video. So the book quite simply says that the managers do managerial functions, which are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. These managerial functions are done in order to coordinate, to shape the behavior of individuals, of groups, and of the organizations. And the ultimate goal is to achieve the effectiveness of individuals, of the group, of the organization. The other two pivots that also shape the managerial functions and the effectiveness are both the structure and the processes that give life to the structure. Primarily, as the book says, decision making and communication. And this is how the book is organized. There are 5 parts, and every part actually discusses one of these elements. The behavior part is divided, or the behavior is divided into 2 parts. Here is behavior for individual, and here is behavior within groups. And then the other parts, part 1 is an introduction, one part about processes, and one part about the structure. So that's it for today, guys. By this, we have finished all the 4 books that are going to be discussed in the first year of the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please keep watching and following our channel on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications bell or button. Go to our website, manwim.com, and to our Facebook page, and stay with us, participate with us. Thank you so much for your support. See you next Thursday. There's going to be a great surprise next Thursday. So be with us in Management with Merits, Manage to Prosper. Thank you so much, and goodbye.